Good morning. This is the first show after 4 years. It's so CEFLA presented a lot of new product and features. We are in front of the iBotic, that is our Cartesian robot. It's a machine well known in the US, and we have also one of these in our facility in Charlotte, North Carolina. But on this machine we added a couple of new features. First of all, I want to talk about the time skip. The time skip is referred to the fact that two arms can work independently. So meanwhile one is spraying, the second one is in the cleaning area, and with a new system that cleans and dry the nozzles. Now is the one that is going to operate. You see, first arm is working. Obviously this is a simulation, while the other one is working in the flushing mode, is being clean. So since the two arms are independent, you can run two different colors. I am referring especially to the kitchen manufacturer. They can run each kitchen after the other with different color, with no waste of time. That's why we call this function time skip. Then on this machine there is another function pretty similar to the hybrid cars. It means that when all the motors of the axis are in operation, there is a recovery system that make the energy available in order to reduce the electrical consumption of the machine. All these new systems are immediately available to the market, and pretty soon will be retrofitted on our machine in CEFLA North America lab in Charlotte. Yeah. Then, moving from the application to the drying system, we emphasize our partnership with Sunspot. Sunspot is a Canadian company that helped us to develop a solution, a drying solution, an oven called UniDry G, totally designed, engineered, and manufactured in the US, specifically developed for American market, because it is an oven that is able to minimize the operational cost and cut up to 50% the drying time when we refer to base coat or even solvent-based paints. So this is a very valuable partnership that we wanted to present worldwide at the LIGNA show we are attending after 4 years.
How long did it take you to develop this product with Sunspot?
The first prototype was presented in 2021 at the Las Vegas show, but soon after we have to rush to increase our productivity, internal capacity, because it was so successful. Now we have more than 50 machines successfully installed, and all the customers really happy about this new technology that we combine with any spraying machine. From iBotic, we have a very nice system running in Florida, and then we have many systems working together with our reciprocating machine. I refer to Prima, I refer to Mito, and obviously to Easy. About the Easy, there is another very interesting feature that was developed specifically upon the request of the US market. I refer to the Easy with a paper belt and a fast color changing system. You can switch from one color to the other in 30 seconds. If you can follow, I can show how this system works. This is the Easy, very well-known machine in the wide product range of CEFLA. But the new interesting things are, first of all, the paper belts. We are all aware of what is happening in the market. The batches are smaller and smaller. The color change is much faster because everyone wants a customized solution. That's why we added the option of having not just the recovery system, but also the paper belt. And then, second most important function, the fast color change. The machine was engineered to put all the system to switch from one color to another on top of the arms. That's why we need to redesign the arms, and we just have the mixing unit on top of the arms. So when you have two components product, you don't need to waste all the line from the pump up to the arm, but you just wait 10 centimeters, few inches of paint in the last pipe, and you recycle all the rest back to the pump with an independent circuit. We have 4 plus 4 guns on the arms, so you can apply different color, and this allows you to switch 30 seconds because you have 2 independent circuits on these arms, so you can start loading the second color while the first one is still working. And then there are the last 2 guns at the extreme side of the machine that can apply the transparent coating. So basically with one machine and 3 pumps you can make pigment and finish with a transparent without any waste of time, maximizing the product, reducing the time you need for cleaning because of the paper belt, and relying upon the technology that CEFLA owns with this patented plenum that optimize the air flow in order to keep all the air much close to the panel in order to increase to the maximum the transfer efficiency even on a spraying technology. So this combines flexibility, productivity and simplicity. Basically it's the game changer of the market. By the way, we already have one line in operation in the US with this brand new system that, as I mentioned before, was specifically designed upon request of our valuable US customer. Another new feature is this roller coater machine. We know that the roller coater is the most efficient in terms of transfer efficiency because it's almost 100% of the coating you use is moved on the panel. But until now we have one limitation. We can work only with flat panels because obviously you need to coat the surface of the panel. Now with these new rollers, the so-called soft roller, you can apply on such a panel like this, a door kitchen like this, even if it's raised, you are able to apply even inside these areas that normally are not painted with a roller coating technology, but just with a spraying technology. Then, with a simple UV oven in a very compact line, you can have a high quality application with a small footprint and a very simple system to run, because we are dealing with a normal roller coater apart from the roller and apart from the system to lift up the roller, because obviously it is required a system more rigid in order to be very precise in coping the surface of the panel you intend to coat. This is another new feature that we present here to LIGNA to give different options to our customer. This is mainly referred to base coat, obviously, because then you are supposed to finish it with a different technology. In this case, it should be spraying. But for sure, it's very efficient, simple, and always pursuing the goal of minimizing the operational cost of any system.